the smartphone industry has reached a breaking point. For years, we've heard the same critique. It's just another glass slab. It's just a faster chip. It's just a better camera. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence coming out of Cupertino is different. It's the silence before a storm. While the world was focused on foldable gimmicks and AI software tricks, Apple was secretly re-engineering the very atoms of what a phone can be. Today, the leaks have finally spilled over. We aren't just looking at a new iPhone, we are looking at the death of the incremental update. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and it is designed to make every other device in your pocket look like a relic from the past. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are watching this, you are likely at a crossroads. Your current iPhone is starting to feel its age, or perhaps you're looking at the competition and wondering if the grass is greener. But before you make a $1,000 mistake, you need to hear what is coming in September 2026. From the world's first 2nm processor to a camera lens that physically moves like a professional DSLR, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is Apple's all-in moment. We are diving deep into the supply chain data, the A20 Pro benchmarks, and the revolutionary C2 modem that finally ends Apple's dependence on Qualcomm. This is the full breakdown of why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the most dangerous phone Apple has ever built. Let's start with the Titanium 2.0 design. Apple isn't just sticking with the same frame. For the 18 Pro Max, they are reportedly using a new, space-grade alloy that is 20% lighter but twice as scratch-resistant as the current Grade 5 titanium. But the real headline in the design department isn't the metal, it's the shrinking island. For the first time since the introduction of FaceID, Dynamic Island is going on a diet. By moving the flood illuminator and proximity sensors under the display, Apple has reduced the cutout size by nearly 35%. It's a cleaner, more immersive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR+ display that finally moves us closer to the dream of an all-screen iPhone. But the screen isn't just smaller on the top, it's smarter. The 18 Pro Max is debuting the M16 OLED panels. These aren't just bright, they are power efficient in a way we've never seen. Combined with LTPO Plus technology, the screen can now drop to a 0.5 Hz refresh rate for the always-on display, consuming almost zero battery while you aren't looking at it. And for the gamers, the peak brightness is rumored to hit a staggering 3,500 nits. Whether you're on a beach in Malibu or under the bright lights of a Vegas strip, this screen remains perfectly legible. Now, let's talk about the brain of the beast, the A20 Pro chip. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The jump to TSMC's 2nm fabrication process. To the average user, 2nm sounds like tech jargon. But for you, it means everything. It means packing 30 billion transistors into a chip that uses 30% less power while delivering 15% more raw performance than the A19. This isn't just about opening apps faster, it's about local AI. The A20 Pro features a massive 20-core neural engine. This allows the iPhone 18 Pro Max to run complex Apple Intelligence models, like real-time video generative editing, entirely on the device. No cloud, no lag, total privacy. But why does a phone need that much power? Because